Hello, crypto world. Welcome to the Chart Historian. My name is Justin, and on this channel, I delve deep into crypto charts, exploring chart structures, fractals, and patterns. So today I have the XRP chart open, and I think XRP is at a crossroads. So I just posted on Twitter that XRP is at an interesting crossroads right now. There is potential for a decent move to the upside. And the reason why I believe that is this pattern right here, this fractal that we are looking at right here, where it moves up like this, and even with the little waves up, this drop down, I call this fractal spring. And in some of my previous videos, I've spoken about this. And the reason why I call that spring is because usually after this type of fractal, you get a nice move up. Now, on the flip side, this fractal is not complete. So it comes up like this, it drops, comes back up, and then does this retest where it drops right here, this little correction of sorts, and then it zooms off into a move upward. Now, I don't know if that's what this is going to do. It could also turn over on itself and move downward. We will have to see how this plays out. However, it is in the cards. There's some other interesting things that I've been kind of exploring with XRP. So this area right here has been a very interesting area for XRP. On previous videos, I showed how this area right here has more like right here, this whole area has been following it. I'll show you. So as you can see, this little area right here is this bigger area, and it's not exact. No fractal repeats exact, but it's been pretty close. And even with this move down, and then now this part, it's been doing something different. Well, here's the interesting thing. If you take this same fractal and on a smaller time frame, move it over here, it'll look something like this. So here is that same fractal. This includes this portion right here, the decline. But it's the same starting from here, and it's a very close match. Now what's making me question if it's really still following this fractal is this kind of push back up. Now, maybe this could just be a double peak. I don't know. We'll see. Or like I was saying before, it could be that spring fractal where it would have this little correction right here and then shoot off. I don't know where it would go, but it wouldn't be a massive bull run. What it would be, so if this started shooting up and went above all this, I would say that this capitulation fractal was over if it started moving up. So this capitulation fractal in my previous video, I compared it to the first original capitulation fractal that appears at the end of a major XRP decline. So that looks like this. You have your move, price moves back up, it kind of falls and makes this little peak right here, and then it comes down, makes another little peak right here, and then it does this swoop down. So that would essentially have completed. Now every time this fractal plays out, it's played out numerous times. It's always unique, but it has that same characteristic DNA that was in the original one. So this is essentially a photocopy or a descendant of this original one right here. Now it's moving up here, so maybe that is the completion. That was the completion part right there. We will have to see. It could still kind of be rearing up before the next drop. So we'll have to see. And of course, there is also the other fractal that XRP has been following, and this was from like April 1st to May 14th, and actually Bitcoin and Ethereum are following the same fractals on their charts from that same time frame. I'll show you. So here is Bitcoin, and this is that fractal from April 1st to May 14th, I believe. And as you can see, it's following it. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So here is Ethereum from that same time frame, April 1st to May 14th or 13th. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP all following those fractals from that same time frame. And these fractals are bear fractals. So are we going to see a continuation of this? It would be odd if XRP shot up for no reason. Maybe if a settlement came out, that could be a reason, but so far nothing has come out. It shot up for no reason, and Bitcoin and Ethereum did something like this. If that was the case, I would say XRP is probably going to do something. It's going to continue following its fractal. This would just be a little excursion away from it, and it'll step back in line and either do something like this or something like this, or it could even just drop right here as well. So all this to say, folks, is that XRP is at an interesting crossroads. We could see a move up, or we can see something more along these lines. Folks, if you enjoy this type of video where I deep dive into XRP and explore the different fractals that are taking place in the overall chart structure, you should hit that subscribe button, because as this develops, I will follow it and give you updates. So it behooves you, if you're interested in this type of stuff, to hit that subscribe button. You can also hit that thumbs up button. It means a lot to me. I would really appreciate it. And by the way, I am not a financial advisor, so none of this stuff that I'm presenting here should be construed as investment or financial advice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you catch my next one. Have a great day, and bye for now.